Hey everybody, my name is Ethan Ostroff. I am an injury lawyer with the Ethan Ostroff Law Firm. If you have any questions, I'm happy to be there for you. Today I'm going to be talking about what happens with a spinal cord injury, what are the next steps, how does that impact your case. Obviously, if you have a spinal cord injury, I hope that nobody watching this video is going through something that serious, because if you lost your ability to walk, if you are now a quad or paraplegic, I'm so sorry for what you're going through, especially if it was not your fault. But the way that that can impact your case varies from injury to injury. Will it be something that you can heal from? Will it be something you cannot? We're going to get into that. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before I dive in. So, spinal cord injury. Let's say that you are in a rollover car accident and you lose the ability to walk because you sever your spinal cord. What does that mean for your injury case? First off, by going through something like that, it had to be horribly painful. And not only is it horribly painful just to go through that injury, you probably are sitting in a hospital for an extended period of time. You're probably going through an extended period of physical therapy. You probably are completely fundamentally changing the way that you live your life. And I'm sorry if you're going through something like that. It's really something I don't wish upon my worst enemy. If you do go through something like that, though, I hate to put it this way, because nothing you do with a lawsuit will change what happened to you. But hopefully, if it was preventable, if you do something about it, it won't happen to somebody else. That's the silver lining of what I typically tell my clients as they're considering whether they want to move forward with a case. When you sever your spine, when you get hurt, and you do go through something like that, you are going to have physical therapy extended for the rest of your life. You're going to have people taking care of you for the rest of your life. All of that can be quantified into future economics, and all of that is going to be a part of your case. The damages that you're going through, the pain and suffering that happened, the future things that you're going to have to pay for, the future care you're going to have to endure, and the change of your life, all of those things blended together will determine the future value and the future outcome of your case. If you can prove that you're not at fault, then the next step is, how hurt are you? If you were going through something like this, I would argue probably one of the worst injuries you can actually have. In terms of what is available, if you do sever your spinal cord or have a spinal cord injury and you maybe lose the ability to walk, those are the kinds of cases where you see the 10s, 20s, 50, $100 million verdicts, is when the injuries are that serious. So I really hope that nobody ever goes through this. I hope that you don't ever go through this. But if you are going through this, I'm so sorry. If you are going through this, you do deserve to get your answers to your questions. So if you ever have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along.